So again, no, here kay GC, so na-injury mo siya last time sa iyahang sa iyahang shoulder on the left, no. So kay siya race tomorrow, big race, no. Again, this is dili ka affect sa iyahang body, no. Ang ato lang gikuan ni ang iyahang shoulder joint ka muscles nga makusgan, no. Kay mao na wala may muscle strength, mao na kay pain, di naman mo lihupon. So 1.5 2% of the muscle strength na mawa per day, no. So just hold of 10 seconds. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, just here straight the elbow. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that was the shoulder, no? Okay, ito yung parehas kansyado, ha? Ito yung fracture, wala kilabti, but pwede na ito may nabtan ang elbow o ang wrist. Again, sa tuyo yan. So, 5 kilograms just. So, this one, yeah. So, muna itong gibutan ron sa imong shoulder, no? But, katura sa injury mo. Okay, and then, karon sa running man siya, so, what may weights, no? Again, may weights, but, kami Arwin ergometer, yeah, for the fine muscles, and then for the synovial fluid between sa iyahang joints, na matagaan o hit daan para by tomorrow race, nindot kayo. Again,